Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning classes. So, children, our second chapter is going on. Our second chapter is addition, and we are doing exercise 2B. So, we have done question number 1 and 2 of 2B, and 2B is solve the following word problems. We are doing word problems, and now we will continue question number 3 after 2. We have done question number 1 and 2. Now we will do our question number 3. So let's see. Question number 3 is Radha wanted to buy a refrigerator for her new house. She already had rupees 24,542 rupees but had to borrow rupees 27,649 from her sister to buy that refrigerator. What is the cost of refrigerator bought by Radha? So let's see what does the question means. So question means कि राधा ने एक रेफ्रिजरेटर ख़रीदा. अब उसके पास ऑलरेडी रुपीज़ 24,540 हैं, बट उसको रेफ्रिजरेटर ख़रीदने के लिए इतने रुपीज़ कम है. सो उसको अपनी सिस्टर से लेना होगा कितना? रुपीज़ 27,649 उसने अपनी सिस्टर से बोरो किया. नाउ you have to see the amount, both amount which she was already having and which she borrowed from her sister, and we have to add these two amount and we have to take out the cost of refrigerator bought by Radha. Now let's see the solution. Solution is Radha wanted to buy a refrigerator. She already had rupees 24,542. She borrowed from her sister rupees 27,649. Now, total cost of the refrigerator is, we will calculate, we will add these two amounts, 24,542 and 27,649. So, let's calculate, let's add it. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 we will write here, 1 we will give carry. Now 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 1 carry is 9. Okay, 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 we will write here, 1 we will give carry. Now 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 1 carry is 12. 12, 2 we have written here, 1 we will give carry here. 2 plus 2 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So the refrigerator cost of the refrigerator is 52,191 rupees. Okay. Now question number 4 now. Let's see question number 4. Akshay bought an air conditioner for rupees 32,777, a tablet for rupees 9,999 and a microwave oven for rupees 19,499 from an online store. How much did he pay for all the items? Let's see the meaning of this question. अक्षय ने एक एयर कंडीशनर ख़रीदा रुपीज़ 32,777 का, एक टैबलेट ख़रीदा रुपीज़ 9,999 का और एक माइक्रोवेव अवन ख़रीदा 19,499 रुपीज़ का ऑनलाइन स्टोर से. नाउ हाउ मच ही पे फॉर ऑल द आइटम, उसने कितना, तीनों आइटम्स का कितना रुपीज़ टोटल पे किया. नाउ लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. अक्षय बॉट, वी विल राइट हियर, देन वी विल राइट एन एयर कंडीशनर, उसने तीन चीज़ें खरीदी. वी विल शो दिस थ्री आइटम्स. एन एयर कंडीशनर रुपीज़ 32,777, a tablet rupees 9,999, a microwave oven for rupees 19,499. Now what we will take out? We will take out the total amount he pay for all items. So we add these three amounts. So 7 plus 9 is how much? 25. 5 we will write here, 2 we will give to place of tens. Now again 7 plus 9 is 25 and 2 carry, that is 27. So 7 we will write here, 2 we will give carry, then 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, and 20 plus 2 carry is 22. So 2 we will write here, 2 we will give carry. Then again 2 plus 9 is 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 9 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. So 2 we will write here, 2 we will give carry. Now again 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So rupees 62,275 he paid for all. Akshay paid rupees 62,275 rupees. Okay children. Now next question is question number 5. Dinesh runs a pet shop in Delhi. He bought 2 German Shepherd dogs for his shop for rupees 19,529 each. Find out the amount of money spent by Dinesh on the dogs. Now children, let's see the meaning of this question. What does this question means? That Dinesh एक pet shop runs करता है, मतलब चलाता है दिल्ली में, and he bought 2 German Shepherd. उसने 2 जर्मन शेफर्ड लाए अपनी पेट शॉप के लिए, फॉर ईच फॉर रुपीज़ 19,529. ईच लिखा है, इसका मतलब एक जो जर्मन शेफर्ड डॉग है, ईच मतलब एक डॉग 19,529 का है. सो ही बॉट 2 जर्मन शेफर्ड डॉग. तो वी हैव टू add 19,529 2 times. Why? Because he bought 2 dogs. Find out the amount of money spent by Dinesh on the dogs. So what we will do? We will add this amount 2 times and this will be the amount paid by Dinesh. Okay. Now let's see the solution of it. So children, solution is Dinesh bought 2 German Shepherd dogs. Both are of same price. That is 19,529 each. So we will add 19,529 to 19,529. So when we add it, 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 we have written, 1 we have given carry, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. Then 5 plus 5 10, 0 we will write here, 1 we will give carry. 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 1 19. Again 9 we will write here, 1 we will give carry. Then 1 plus 1 2 and plus 1 3. So amount of money spent by Dinesh on the dogs is equal to 39,058. ठीक है, उसने 39,058 रुपीज़ उसने डॉग्स को बाय करने में स्पेंड किया. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. At a carnival, 24,756 people turned up on the first day. 31,000 people came on the second day and 13,471 people visited on the third day. If the carnival was organized for 3 days, calculate the total number of visitors who came to the carnival in all. So children, इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है कि एक कार्निवल में फर्स्ट डे 24,756 पीपल ने विज़िट किया, वहाँ पे गए. सेकेंड डे 31,000 पीपल ने विज़िट किया एंड थर्ड डे 13,471 पीपल ने विज़िट किया. नाउ अगर वो कार्निवल 3 डेज़ का ही था तो इन 3 डेज़ में टोटल नंबर ऑफ विजिटर्स कितने थे? तो तीनों को मिला करके जो भी आएगा आंसर, दैट विल बी द टोटल विजिटर्स अटेंड या विजिट टू द कार्निवल इन ऑल. सो लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. Solution is, at a carnival, number of people visited on the first day is 24,756. Number of people visited on the second day is 31,000. Number of people visited on the third day is 13,471. Now let's add these three number of visitors. So children, 6 plus 1 is 7, 5 plus 7 is 12, 2 we will write here, 1 we will give carry, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 12, 2 we will write here again, 1 we will give carry, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Now 2 plus 3 is 5 and 1 6. So 69,227. So total number of visitors came to the carnival in all is equal to 69,227. तो कितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ विजिटर्स वहाँ पर आए, कितने आए, दे आर 69,227. Clear children? Now your homework is revise these problems, and if you will have any queries then you can ask me. Children, please write the question from your book and do this word problems again in your rough copy to practice. Okay? Now have a nice day. Thank you.